we allowed to swear?
Hey, my name's Craig Petty. I want to introduce you to my brand new effect with Trick Trick Boom, A.P.E A Perception Experiment. Now, this trick is all about a video that went viral about 15 years ago, where there's a bunch of people playing basketball, throwing balls to one another, and you completely miss the gorilla walking out, banging his chest and walking off the other direction. So what happens in A.P.E is you tell them you're going to try and recreate that experiment, but live, right there, close up in front of them. You bring out a little leather holder, and inside the leather holder, there's 3 cards. You show each one individually, front and back. Each card has a bunch of basketballs on them. You tell the audience that you're going to give them 3 seconds per card to count the amount of basketballs. To count the amount of basketballs, I'm going to give you 3 seconds per card. All right. First card. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then they tell you how many they think were on there.
9, 7, 10.
17. Hang on.
No.
I didn't get the first one at all. But then I think there were 7 on the second one and 9 on the third one.
25.
How many do you think were on?
Then you say to them, but did you miss the gorilla? Did you see the gorilla?
Did anyone see the gorilla?
Did you see the gorilla? And then you turn the cards over and you show them the cards. And now there is a giant gorilla over the balls on all 3 cards. As soon as you've made that gorilla appear, you can show the cards front and back. You can hand a couple of them out, but nobody wants to examine them because they're too busy talking to each other about what they've just seen. I mean, you missed it. Most people do. When it comes to hook lines, it's an instant hook line. It's fun. It's engaging. It's interactive. It's incredibly easy to do.
Obvious.
The gorilla. It's right there.
It's not in the...
Yes! My name's Craig Petty, and on behalf of Trick Trick Boom, I'm proud to introduce to you A.P.E A Perception Experiment. If you're doing that, you miss a guy in a gorilla suit walking out in the middle of the